Have you ever thought about how much more you could personalize and optimize your smartphone experience? With Samsung's One UI 7.0, that vision is now reality. Samsung is redefining the Android experience by introducing a host of features that not only make your phone more intuitive, but also give you full control over its appearance and functionality. In this video, we're going to explore how One UI 7.0 stands out from the crowd and why it could be the game changer Android users have been waiting for. One of the standout aspects of One UI 7.0 is its impressive level of customization. While Android has always been known for its flexibility, Samsung has taken it a step further by allowing users to fine-tune their device in ways that were once unimaginable. It's not just about changing color themes or arranging widgets. One UI 7.0 lets you tweak virtually every element of your device, from small, subtle changes to the deeper performance settings. Whether you're a minimalist or someone who loves vibrant themes and complex layouts, One UI 7.0 ensures your phone is truly yours. For mobile gamers, One UI 7.0 offers a major advantage. Gaming on a smartphone often comes down to performance, and Samsung has included features to let you tailor the experience to your needs. One such feature is the ability to adjust the screen refresh rate. You can lock it at 60 Hz to save battery or push it all the way up to 120 Hz for ultra-smooth gameplay. This adaptive display feature ensures your gaming experience is seamless and responsive, but without draining the battery. Other smartphones, like the Apple iPhone, may offer a similar high refresh rate, but they don't provide the level of control that Samsung does. Apple's promotion technology automatically adjusts the refresh rate, but it doesn't always hit the full 120 Hz during intensive gaming sessions, leaving you with less flexibility. One UI 7.0 takes gaming even further with the Game Booster menu, allowing you to set performance options for each game individually. Whether you're playing a high-demand game like an action-packed shooter or a more casual one, you can adjust the performance settings to either improve graphics or extend battery life. This level of customization is something iPhones simply can't match. With Samsung, you're in control of how each game runs, ensuring the best possible experience every time. When it comes to the interface, Apple's iOS has long been praised for its smooth animations and transitions. While this has been one of Apple's strongest points, Samsung has made significant strides with One UI 7.0 to catch up. The interface feels incredibly fluid, responsive, and fast. Each tap, swipe, and gesture gives you the feeling of a premium experience. It's clear that Samsung has put a lot of effort into ensuring that One UI 7.0 feels fast and smooth, making it as easy to use as it is visually impressive. Security is another area where Samsung has raised the bar. Though Apple has always had a reputation for strong security, One UI 7.0 offers something even more advanced. The new Knox Matrix dashboard provides an added layer of protection by continuously monitoring the security of all devices connected to your smart home. Whether it's your smart TV, other home appliances, or even other mobile devices, Knox Matrix ensures your data is secure and alerts you if there are any potential risks. This added layer of security brings peace of mind for those who are worried about the growing risks of digital threats. If you've been on the fence about switching from Apple, One UI 7.0 presents a compelling reason to make the jump. With its unparalleled customization options, enhanced gaming performance, and top-notch security features, One UI 7.0 offers a unique Android experience that iPhones just can't match. The best way to experience it all is through the Galaxy S25 series. With One UI 7.0 already pre-installed, you'll be ready to take advantage of Samsung's latest innovations the moment you unbox your device. So if you're someone who values personalization, performance, and security, One UI 7.0 could very well be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest in tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Did Samsung make the right decision with the display on the Galaxy S25 Ultra? This question has been on the minds of many users since the release of the device. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features Corning's new Gorilla Armor 2, a display protection designed to provide enhanced durability. Corning touts it as a major upgrade over the previous version, promising better resistance to drops and scratches, but recent tests have raised an important issue. Has the new Gorilla Armor 2 compromised scratch resistance for other features? Gorilla Armor 2 was introduced alongside the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with a claim to be the industry's first scratch-resistant, anti-reflective glass ceramic cover material for mobile devices. According to Corning, the material can withstand drops from up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet on hard surfaces like concrete. This sounds impressive, right? A screen that can survive higher drops without shattering seems like a major win for those prone to accidents. However, when it comes to everyday wear, there's a noticeable difference in scratch resistance. Independent testing conducted by YouTuber Jerry Everything, who's well known for his durability tests, revealed a concerning flaw. In his tests using the Mohs hardness scale, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's Gorilla Armor 2 started to show clear scratches at level 6. This is a stark contrast to the previous Galaxy S24 Ultra, which used the original Gorilla Armor. That display resisted scratches up to level 7, and in some instances even level 8, making it look nearly as pristine as it did when first unboxed. But now, with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, noticeable scratches for everyday use are evident, leaving users frustrated with the wear and tear. So what led to this change? The answer lies in the delicate balance between scratch resistance and drop resistance. Improving one often compromises the other. For example, a material that is resistant to scratches is typically harder but more brittle, making it more prone to breaking upon impact. Conversely, a material that is designed to survive drops tends to be more flexible and can handle shock better, but it may sacrifice some scratch resistance in the process. It seems that Corning may have prioritized improving the shatter resistance of the new Gorilla Armor 2 for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. While this makes the display more likely to survive falls without cracking, it comes at the cost of protecting against scratches as effectively as before. This trade-off is significant because not all users have the same priorities. For those who tend to drop their phones frequently, the enhanced drop resistance could be a major benefit. However, for users who are meticulous about keeping their phone looking new and free of scratches, the reduced scratch resistance is a disappointment. It feels like a step back for a device that many expect to be a flagship model offering top-tier durability. Despite this, Gorilla Armor 2 still offers several advantages. The anti-reflective properties of the glass help maintain excellent clarity even under bright sunlight. The display continues to deliver vibrant colors and sharp visuals, ensuring that images and videos are still visually stunning. While it may not be as scratch-resistant as the previous version, its drop resistance and overall durability still make it a solid choice for many users who value ruggedness over pristine appearance. What do you think about this trade-off? Is the enhanced drop protection enough to make up for the sacrifice in scratch resistance? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates and insights. Is the Galaxy Z Fold 7 finally going to fix one of the most persistent issues with foldable smartphones? Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series has undoubtedly been a pioneer in the foldable phone market, with each new release bringing exciting innovations. But no matter how much the device improves, there's been one flaw that just won't go away to crease. It's something that's remained present in every iteration of the Galaxy Z Fold, including the latest Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now, as we look ahead to the Galaxy Z Fold 7, many are wondering if Samsung will finally manage to minimize or even eliminate that crease. If you've used a foldable phone, you've probably noticed the crease right down the center of the screen. It's a result of the unique display material, the hinge design, and the repeated folding action that these phones undergo. While competitors, especially some Chinese brands, have made progress in reducing the crease, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series has always had a noticeable one. Even with the improvements in each generation, the crease still lingers in the Galaxy Z Fold 6, making it a point of frustration for many users. But there's hope that things might change with the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7. Leaks suggest that Samsung might finally reduce the crease to the point where it becomes far less noticeable.